guys, welcome back to Mercedes Pas, high heels and cars. Well, today I am now at the garage, so I'll be working on this amazing 280SC Cabriolet. So it's this one here that you can see on the back. So it's a gold color and with a green interior and top. So as you see, I'm ready and dressed to be dirty. So I will keep you posted of my status. This is a car actually we bought a few years ago in California. We start to do already some things. We did the top and we did the carpets, but now I took the carpets away because since I'm working on it, I don't want to get dirty. This is a going project, so there is no hurry on it, there is no rush as well, and since the value of those cars will still are stable now at the moment, so we just take the time in between jobs and we will be working on it. So follow me guys to my workplace of today. Yeah? So as you can see, this is the car, this beautiful and amazing color combination. So this will be my working area for today. This is where I normally work the cars when I'm sanding them. So this is my workplace. I will just show you a little bit the canvas I'm working with. Amazing. You see this color? Wow, it's amazing. Beautiful color. Amazing. So we are putting all together now. The dashboard a little bit. Philippe did it already. So it's amazing. I love this color combination. This is really a keeper. So this is our project in between. Amazing, really, really. You see the top? Wow. So far we did a very good job. And this is the engine bay where I'll be working on. So I still have to do to remove some cable work in order to get to the places where the cables are. So as you can see, I have a little bit of work, but so far I'm happy with the results. So I'm gonna go now under the car. And I'll be sanding it. This is me now, back again. So I'll be working. See you later guys, and thumbs up. Thank you for watching guys, and I will show you the end results later on. Thank you guys, bye.
bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hi guys, I'm still here. I'm still working on this beautiful 280 SE. So I will not give up. It's a job of precision. Above all, you need to have courage and healthy spirits. So, and this is my spirit. I love what I do. I enjoy working on cars, so I will not give up. Keep you posted, guys. Using 400, and I am using as well for the difficult parts. I'm using 180. So normally the 400 is the best, but are some places that are very difficult, and I need to use the 180 first, then the 400. So this is the process. You go from one to another, and you just keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, and you feel the pace, you feel it until it's all smooth and it's all looking nice and sweet.
You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
working on this 280SE. I still have a lot of work to do, so it's a job of precision above all motivation. So, I'm hoping I will go on. I don't give up. I don't give up. So keep you posted, guys.
Yeah.